Today we want to show you how to fix a fuel tank crack or leakage with EPO Putty. Usually when the fuel tank gets old, as you use, because of the bad road, it develops cracks, and these cracks makes the fuel leak when you buy them. Some people use epoxy, others use modified acrylic to solve this problem. But today we are going to use EPO Putty, and this one is the best permanent solution you can use for fuel tank leakage. So there's a crack beneath the tank, as you can see. So because of this, whenever you buy fuel, it will leak. This crack is quite big, so you cannot use epoxy or modified acrylic. So we are going to use the EPO Putty to solve this problem permanently. So be with us. This one we have here is the 50-gram EPO Putty. This work is not a big work, so we may not need all of this to solve it. However, we'll use some portion of both the hardener and the resin to fix this problem. The rest can be left somewhere later when we need it. We'll use it to fix it. So this one is the resin, this is the hardener. So because this work is not much, we will not need all the 50 gram. So we'll just take a little portion of the 50 gram. So this one is the resin. This is the little portion that we are taking from the resin. And then we'll take an equal portion of the hardener too. So this is what we are going to mix to fix this. This one is quite easy to mix with your hands. You just wet it with ordinary water so that you can knead it easily. So this is just ordinary water. So you just mix the two. Now we have a uniform mixture, but make sure the surface that you are going to use it on is clean. So have a clean surface. Then you apply the uniform mixture at where the leakage is. So this is where our fuel is leaking. So just patch and seal the leak. Now we'll just apply water for a smooth or neat work. You see, so this one we did not even use all the ones that we missed. We just use a small portion of it just for a clean. So we've patched it, and like you know, EPO Putty is used on metal, plastic, rubber, wood, even on floor tiles. So the motor parts that use EPO Putty is a lot, not just the fuel tank, but even the carrier, the stand, the crankcase, every part that breaks or needs filling, you can use the EPO Putty to fill it. So right now we've patched our leakage. We'll wait for an hour and come back to see the results. Some people usually will use epoxy, which will start leaking again after a week. Others will also visit the welding shop, and the welding, because of the electricity power, it weakens the metal. This one is the best solution. So let's come back after an hour and see the results. We are back after an hour. Our EPO Putty is fully cured. So as you can see, I'm trying to sandpaper to make a smooth surface. Now it is fully cured. This is permanent solution. No amount of fuel will leak. It is better than welding, because when you weld, because of the electricity and the fire, you weakens the metal. But this one, you strengthen the metal, it becomes even more harder. You can sandpaper it. If you have a spray paint, you can spray the surface and make it smooth. Even though it's an old fuel tank, you can spray it back and everything will be new. So this is better than modified acrylic. Like we said, this is better than epoxy, this is better than welding. So choose EPO Putty for all your leakage, your cracks, your breakages, and all your failing, and you will never regret it. Thank you.